All right, my name is Hussein Mohamed Nakwabla. You are live on my YouTube channel at Nakwabla. First of all, click on the subscription button, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it to everyone out there. I'm right back here to serve you with a fresh gist, right? And it is about who? Fad Lan, the young bull. It has been rumored recently that Fad Lan bought a new car, but and we have not heard anything from Fad Lan himself or any of his team members. But guess what? Today, 11th November 2025, the story has changed because we have seen members from his team and people we can boldly see or call Fad Lan managers posting about this car, posting the pictures, and then everything about it. And guess what? One thing caught my attention, and I think it is necessary for me to come and update you about this. About this one. And what is it? It's about the pricing. It's about the price of this car. Bro. Okay, so now what prompted this video? I saw an update or a WhatsApp status from one of Fad Lan team members who is Fako. Fako is one key member from the Young Bull management, right? So, and he posted RX 350 2024. RX 350 2024. If you don't know, ask Chat GPT. And we all know people are posting about Fad Lan new car, right? So when I saw this, I said to myself, bro, this is going to be about a car. So I didn't know what RX 350 was all about. I said to myself, okay, bro, this is a work Falco has given us. Go and then ask ChatGPT what RX 350 is, because you don't also know what RX 350 is. So I rightly did. I go and ask ChatGPT, bro, what is RX 350? And this is what ChatGPT got for me. The Lexus RX 350 2024 is a luxury SUV model produced by Lexus, a Japanese automaker. Here's what we know about it. Okay, so key features: engine, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Power, 205 kW at 6,000 RPM. Torque, 430 Nm at 1,700 to 3,600 RPM. Drive type, all-wheel drive. You didn't hear this. ChatGPT is telling you that the RX 350 is all-wheel drive. And all-wheel drive means naba nahama za ankungo gas de kiame naba nahama ne kanyanga be toru mover na ankungo gas naba nahama za de kiame. That is what ChatGPT is telling us. Okay, let's move on. Transmission, 8-speed torque converter automatic. Seating, 5 Cs. Normala 5 Cs. Boot space, 612 L into bracket 6 up. 1678 L into bracket 6 folded. Safety. Okay, 5-star ANCAP rating. Bro, do you know what it means to rate something at 5-star? Bro, 5-star ANCAP rating. Autonomous emergency braking. Lane departure warning. Blind spot alert, and more. So this is the safety for you. And this is my favorite part of the whole thing. Pricing, whatever be the case, pricing. The lari to akan yarama. Starting price in Ghana. Starting price into bracket Ghana, around 830,000 Ghana cedis. around 830 Ghana cedis, bro. 830,000 Ghana cedis is 8.3 billion old Ghana cedis. That is 8.3 billion old Ghana cedis to 1,300,000 Ghana cedis. 830,000 Ghana cedis to 1,300,000 Ghana cedis. That is in Ghana. International price around 100,660 US dollars plus on roads cost. So that is the actual cost of the car. There's no shipment included to this, right? So that is the price of the RX 350 2024 international price. That is it for you. Okay, and the details go on and on. And this is the overall info about it. ChatGPT gave us, and it goes overall. The Lexus RX 350 2024 is a luxurious and feature-rich SUV with a strong engine and advanced safety features. Would you like to know more about this? Okay, so after we asked ChatGPT about this or about the RX 350 2024, this is the information ChatGPT gave us, and then bro, the pricing doesn't make sense, bro. 830,000 Ghana cedis to 1,300,000. Fad Lan ni jaman so kama mabiusani. Ni resign loro ko masuro. Bro. All right, so this is what is on board right now, and I'm just here to update you on it. Click on the subscription button, follow me, subscribe to the channel, do whatever to make this video go viral. Thank you for watching, and don't forget, subscribe to the channel. My name is Hussein Mohamed Nakwabla. Thank you for watching. Boom, I'm out.